Hammer toes are deformities of your essentially second, third, and fourth toes that develop a lot of times because of inappropriate shoe wear, and you essentially get flexion of the middle joint in your toe that can cause painful calluses or corns to form on the top, where it causes friction on your shoes, especially if you're wearing tight shoes. Oftentimes, if you do have a rigid hammer toe deformity, this is something that we can repair surgically to straighten out your toe and allow you to get back to being able to wear normal shoes and not have to worry about the pain being caused with friction over your hammer toe deformity.